Hey guys, welcome to week 2 of my training update. Today was day 1. Just finished with the workout with Banu. तिमीलाई देखिरहेको छु त्यहाँ.
Oh, hi.
But yeah, last week same workout today as well. My accessories आज record गरेन, but a little bit more increment from last week. So last week चाहिँ transition phase थियो. So this is week 1 of strength phase, and today is the first week of the 3 weeks that I'm gonna be doing. So आजको workout अलि coming into, I was feeling a bit rough, tight, एकदमै tight because my body weight has been dropping. As a lowest weight 100.8 थियो, and squats always feels so bad when you're losing weight or when you're on a diet, especially मेरो चाहिँ यो traps अनि rhomboids एरियामा अलिकति sharp pain हुन्छ क्या. So आजको range was 205 देखि 215 kgs, and I chose to go in the middle like most of the time that I go. 210 for a set of 5, about an RPE of 7 to 8 I would predict, because मैले माथि उठ्दाखेरि I was controlling the weight just a little bit because of the sharp pain in my upper back भनौँ न. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ back offsets को लागि चाहिँ didn't want to push it that hard because eventually coming weeks मा it's gonna get super duper hard no matter what I do. So अहिले चाहिँ ठिक्क RP 6-7 को aim गरिरहेको थिएँ. I did the first back offset with 190 kilos. Last week भन्दा नि कम हो, but it was very easy. So for the next 3 sets I did 3 sets of 5 with 195, and it felt alright. त्यस्तो गाह्रो त होइन, but leaving a lot of room for progression in the weeks to come. त्यसपछि had board presses. मैले चाहिँ त्यो squat knee wrap लगाउँछु, and आज lift off दिने partner भएको भएर चाहिँ I was more confident in the unracking position. So went for 110 kilos, 10 kgs more than last week. अलिकति big increment हो. So next week I have to live up to what I've done this week. So at least थोरै increment को लागि चाहिँ space छ. And deadlifts मा चाहिँ 4 sets of 4, nice and easy. तर यो grip train गर्ने बानी नभएको भएर चाहिँ it was feeling uncomfortable only in the grip. तर movement चाहिँ were sub RPE 6, but it's not about heavy movement. It's all about breathing, bracing, and getting the right position with the mixed grip. And 4 sets of 4, 190 kgs, 10 kgs more from last week, and we'll go heavier in the weeks to come. त्यसपछि accessories त very simple. Last week कै थियो, just a bit more heavier on the weight. And yeah, आजको लागि त्यति नै. I will see you guys tomorrow with a light upper body workout. Alright guys, done with week 2, day 2 as well. अनि last week चाहिँ मैले यो workout Tuesday गरेको थिएँ, which was day 1 पछि एउटा दिन रेस्ट, अनि थर्ड डेमा गरेको थिएँ. बट आज चाहिँ day 1, day 2 ब्याक टु ब्याकै गरिरहेको छु. सो टुडे इज Monday, and I did हिजोको वर्कआउट just yesterday मात्रै. लास्ट विक चाहिँ किन ट्युसडे गरेको भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ I was feeling absolutely thrashed हुन्छ नि. Like Sunday upon waking up I couldn't do anything, basically very unproductive मान्छे भइरहेको थिएँ. And I was watching that एउटा series थियो Spartacus भन्ने. I was watching it all day, अनि just sleeping in my bed, अनि wouldn't be able to do anything जस्तो भइरहेको थियो. And that त्यसको reason चाहिँ is not solely because of the Sunday's workout, but from the accumulation of the previous hypertrophy block which bled into previous week. But आज चाहिँ, since even though हिजोको workout was much harder than last week's same workout, I feel so much better, and today I was able to be more productive and feel better overall. And I decided to do the workout back to back so that Wednesday र Friday को workout I can have a space in between, because I don't like to squat back to back. But yeah, आजको workout same as last week's, just improved upon everything just a little bit. So last week close grip bench गरेको थियो, and last week को मेरो range was 82.5 देखि 95 को range थियो. So I started at the lower end of the spectrum. That's the type of lifter I am. अनि not to my surprise, it was really easy. So मैले बढाउँदै last set 95 गरेको थिएँ. But for this week मेरो range was a bit more bigger भनौँ न. 90 देखि 100 को range, 105 सम्मको range मैले राखेको थिएँ. And I did the first set with 90 kilos, and it felt like a warm up, maybe like an RPE of 4 or 5, something like that. अनि त्यसपछि I went up to 95, अनि 97, अनि 100 ले 3 sets गर्यो, and it felt alright. The last set was the hardest obviously, but not that demanding so maybe an RPE of 6 to 7. So next week there's a lot of room left to be made for progress, and I'm getting into the swing of things of practicing the movement, like bench press every day garnu pani my shoulders feel fine, my elbows, everything is feeling fine, and I feel like squatterma pani I'm getting into the groove of higher frequency. So bistari nai improve गरिराख्छु. Like I said in the previous video as well, I have to hit that overreaching set eventually. So अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ taking it step by step. And other accessories हरूमा चाहिँ didn't add any more sets, but also didn't add any more load, but I was able to do 1 or 2 reps more from last week. And it's very important to track your RPE and track the weight used and how many reps did you get of that particular exercise. So यो week को लागि चाहिँ एउटा example मात्र दिन्छु, तर मैले सबै exercise मै त्यही गराएको थिएँ. So last week I had 3 sets of shoulder presses. So the first set I did was 11 reps with 30 kilos, about an RPE of 8 to 9. But आजको वर्कआउटमा चाहिँ, since that is a starting point for me, what I want to be able to do is do more than 11. So आज I just did 12, next week probably 13, and last week 14 हुन्छ, and over that I might not be able to progress or something of that sort. So progress हुन्छ. Second set मा चाहिँ last week 9 मात्रै गरेको थिएँ, today I was able to do 10, and last week third set मा चाहिँ I was able to do 7, but today I was able to do 9. So that's an increment of 4 total reps in the 3 sets that I did, अनि सबै एक्सरसाइजमा नै similar वेमा नै गरिरहेको छु. So if that makes sense, and त्यसरी चाहिँ I track progression even on the accessories, so that I know I'm getting stronger, but if not stronger, at least not weaker. Or if I get weak, then maybe it's time for me to deload or I push the progression towards. त्यसरी चाहिँ मैले ट्रेनिङ ट्र्याक गरिरहेको हुन्छु. And आजको वर्कआउट was chill, I feel completely fine. अब भोलि एक दिन complete rest छ, and I'm pumped for Wednesday को workout. Last week Thursday गरेको थियो, यो week Wednesday गर्छु. It's going to be a heavy deadlift workout, so let's directly cut into the deadlift video, and I will see you after that workout. Alright guys, done with workout of day 3. Today is Wednesday, अनि आज चाहिँ coming into the workout, I was the most fatigued out of all the days. Last week चाहिँ यो दिनमा I was feeling absolute best, तर आज चाहिँ I don't know, could be because of a couple of reasons that I'm not feeling that well. First one being obviously today I weighed in at my lowest, 100.8. So that's the lowest I've been in a long time. So that could be one reason. And the other reason is maybe because we were shooting for Samaya as well, and त्यसमा अलिअलि पानीमा भिज्ने यताउति भएर पनि अलिकति extra fatigue carry over भएको हुन सक्छ. But regardless, यो training blockमा चाहिँ I was starting into the block, I was open to being slightly weaker just because of the nature of the diet that I'm in currently. But regardless, today was a productive day, better than last week in terms of performance. So I had a planned top single of a range between 235 to 245, and then I just chose to do 240 for set of 4 because last warm-up 220 le garda it felt pretty good, and मेरो grip strength is also coming back. It felt very comfortable without the straps when I was doing the warm-up. So next block will I say ready for that. So the top set, it felt like an RPE of 9, but when I look at the video it probably looks like a 7, so I just rated it an 8. So त्यो अनुसारले back off set गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ last week I had done 6 sets of 4, but this week since the intensity is rising, I want to slowly taper down on the total amount of volume for deadlifts, because balance गर्दाखेरि लगभग त्यस्तै हुन्छ. अनि the goal of this meso is not to accumulate a lot of volume, but to get stronger from the volume that I've done before. So 5 sets of 4 with 220 felt pretty easy, very light. किन हाँस्दा तिमी? Nia is also working out. हाँस्दै बसिरहेको छ. त्यसपछि nothing too crazy. त्यसपछि did some comp bench, अनि bench press चाहिँ बल्ल shoulders-हरु, back-हरु normalize हुन थालेछ with the increased frequency. Nothing crazy. 3 sets of 5. First 2 sets I did with 100, and त्यसपछिको following one set with 105, which was about an RPE 5 to 6. यो दिनको अब next day मा चाहिँ is going to be a heavier bench press. So यो दिन चाहिँ just technique अनि overall volume मात्रै increase गर्नुलाई हो. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ had pause squats 4 sets of 5. Last week 5 sets of 5 गरेको थिएँ, but volume थोरै reduce गरिरहेको छ because of the nature of the mesocycle, like I said. So 4 sets of 5. First 2 sets did with 160. The first 3 sets did with 160. Last week जानेर छोडेको थियो त्यहाँबाट, and then त्यसपछिको last set चाहिँ the weight is still there. 165 kgs ले 5 reps. Again RPE of anywhere from 4 to 6. Pretty light, easing into मेरो shoulders अनि back health सबै कुरा याद गर्नुपर्छ, then just the absolute weight. So that was that. And त्यसपछि चाहिँ nothing too crazy. त्यही last week को accessories, just a bit more weight, bit more reps, like always. So yeah, so आज was a really hard grindy workout. अब भोलि is a rest day, so I'll see you guys on Friday with a heavy bench workout. Alright guys, so just done with the week, just completed day 4 and I'm completely exhausted at this point in training, because I think it's mostly got to do with the diet, because the work that I've been doing is not the most that I've done, but I think it's because of the diet. आजदेखि calories पनि थोरै घटाएको छ, because I've kind of मेरो weight loss speed अलिकति slower भएको reasonले चाहिँ I'm just bumping up the calorie decrease for the next 1 week, and then I'll be doing a diet break. So 1 more week, gonna be in a deficit, weighing around 100.7, 100.8. That's the treadmill disturb. That's a long time low weight for me. And the last time, as I was going up in these calories, my macros were something like 300 protein, 140 fat, 480 carbs. But right now it's almost half, so it feels like I have literally no energy left. So ajako macros are 220 protein, 220 carbs, and fat, I think around 90 fat, so that's around 2600 calories. Pretty low for someone my size, but yeah, regardless, ajako workout was productive considering all the other variables. So had a top set of bench, aiming around an RPE of 8. So 1 set of 6 at 110 kg. Not a PR, but within PR territory, like few reps few increment within PR territory. On a back of sets with 5 sets of 6, 102.5 kg. So you'd say RPE about 6 to 7 ko bichaतिर been doing it, and I'm not being able to flare the elbow as much as I would like, just because अब सबै structure नै अलिकति सानो भएको भएर I'm trying to protect my shoulders more, so I don't talk भइरहेछ. But I think once the weight becomes normalizes, then that shouldn't be a problem. So last set somehow was pretty difficult. त्यसपछि bent over barbell rows, didn't record that set, but last week भन्दा अलिकति progression थियो. अनि त्यसपछि चाहिँ high bar squats थियो, 3 sets of 4, paused at RPE 6. So last week I had finished off at 160, so this time I started at 160, and not to my surprise, the weights were really light, and त्यसपछि चाहिँ I added weight 5 kgs on each side, which makes it 170, and I did it for 2 sets of 4. Not a bad session all in all. त्यसपछि accessoriesहरु सबै complete गर्यो and all those things. And next week I have decided that I will not be doing top sets for squats and bench press, because I think the fatigue accumulation is higher than what I need, and I'm not even making that much progress in terms of absolute strength there. So I would rather do more volume and get a better chance to retain strength. And for the overreaching phase, again I'll do like a top set. But for deadlifts, since the wave is going really nicely, like राम्रो increment भइरहेछ deadlift strength मा चाहिँ, even with the weight loss and everything, I'm going to be doing a top set for deadlift. So next week ko highlight is going to be that training session, and then we will build more upon that. So yeah, with that we come to the end of this video. This week was a tough week, not the one that I expected, but pushed it through. Proud of myself, proud of all the PRs that I've been making, and being very consistent with nutrition and training, and just trying to take little wins, 1 rep at a time. Next week I really pumped. I can't wait to share that with you guys. And in the meantime, if you like the video, please like the video and leave a comment down below, or ask me any questions if you have any. And if you have any inquiries for coaching, one-on-one coaching with me, email, everything is in the description down below, and I will see you all next Sunday.